How to make a website with artificial intelligence Chapter 2. Step 2. As suggested, you may select the hosting or platform for your website hosting, and can use my referral link to get discount up to 20%. The link provided in the description as well. Before moving to next step, firstly we have to understand what is hosting and domain. Hosting is a place available on server where your domain or your website's data is stored. And domain is your website address. On the internet, just like your home has a physical address, where large number of people may see and do business from all over the world. For purchasing hosting and domain, we have to see and compare the pricing details of different hosting platforms and have to select the plan affordable and suitable to your requirements. There are 4 types of plans available at hostinger.com: single plan, premium plan, business plan, cloud startup. The best plan we suggest you is premium plan, available at affordable price of Rs. $149 per month, and get the following benefits absolutely free of cost. The best plan we suggest you is premium plan, available at affordable price of Rs. $149 per month, and get the following benefits absolutely free of cost. After choosing a hosting plan, register your domain name and complete the sign-up process. After completing the sign-up process, follow the next step: log into AI Website Builder. Next we will learn in Chapter